Hi there. I hope you're well and having a fantastic day. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, I just want to show you how you can add a user to your Google Search Console. Okay, I'm going to try to make this quick as possible. So the first thing that you want to do is actually get to Google Search Console. So you want to navigate to google.com, then type in Google Search Console. Should be the first thing that pops up, and you click on Get Started and verify your account, of course. If you have multiple projects, you want to obviously navigate to the correct project right here, and you have arrived to the page that I'm at right now. So obviously with yours, you have more metrics. We're just using a not so used account mainly because we don't want to share sensitive information. But the thing for yours is you want to navigate to the left panel right here of Google Search Console, not click here, but we're going to navigate right here. And you want to scroll to right at the bottom, and navigate and click on settings on Google Search Console. So at settings, you see many settings, well, a few settings, which just give us a little bit detail here. But where we want to really focus is ownership verification. Sorry, users and permissions. So you want to click on users and permission, and then you want to click on add user. Of course, this is where you type in the Gmail or email of your choice. So preferably a valid Gmail Google account that you want to type in there. And then you want to select permission. So most likely if you want to give someone else permissions, you are the owner. So you want to give person full permission so that they can connect SEMrush, Google Analytics, and so on. And restricted is just for them to see analytics on the website. Okay, so that's how you can add a user on Google Search Console. For more SEO tips, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And leave a comment. What should we discuss next? I'd love to answer any of those questions. So visit us at prolemon.com. Have a fantastic day.